Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add your own music to TikTok. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So now I want you to do is to open your TikTok app and just go ahead and save the audio that you want to use. So to do that, for example in this video, so here you just want to click on the share arrow at the lower right side of your screen and click on, sorry but in this video I cannot save it, so I'm just gonna here save video, and I want you to do is to click on the plus sign at the lower part of your screen and click on upload at the lower right corner of your screen and choose the video that you saved earlier.
Now the lights are dim, I know you'll get over it.
So now I want you to do is to just wait, okay? I'm just gonna pause this video.
Now the lights are dim, I know you'll get over it. You'll get.
What I want you to do is to click on audio editing. So in case that you didn't hear me earlier, I want you to do is to click on audio editing at the right side of your screen. And for example, you want to add a voice record, just go ahead and click on record here and click save. Also, you can replace original sound with recording by checking this button here. So now just go ahead and click save and next. So now I want you to do is to choose who can watch this video and choose only me, and then just go ahead and post that audio. But don't worry because no one can see that video, okay? So now I want you to do is to go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen and click on the lock icon. And then here you can see the video that you posted earlier. And now I want you to do is to click on the music icon at the lower right corner of your screen, and now you can use this sound. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.